Tell me how much you need me. Make my world go round. Ain't no competition. No one can compare.
Hi guys, so today I'm doing a quick cooking video as always. So we have some stewed chicken here. I'm about to make a roux so I can thicken up this sauce. And then here we have some collard greens that are seasoned with some minced garlic, onions, garlic powder, salt and pepper. And then all we're going to have later is to make some rice. So yeah, that's about it. Ain't nothing much to this video, but yeah, stay tuned because I got to make the rice. Look at all that seasoning. This just about to be the bomb.com. Alright, I'm about to add in my roux and then mix this all together. Okay, so now we have this and all we gotta do is stir and then add it into our chicken. So, okay, this is what it looks like now. And then we gotta, I think I made too much, but hey, it is what it is. Rather thick gravy than loose gravy. So, then we're gonna add it into this. And it's gonna be love, love, love. And our collard greens are starting to boil, which they're gonna be good too. I might probably have to add some more pepper, and that's about it. And then on to making the rice, white rice that is. So stay tuned. Okay, so I already stirred in our roux, and the sauce is already starting to thicken up as we go along. The chicken is not all the way done yet, but I'm gonna let it boil on for another hour or so that way it falls right off the bone. You know how I get down in the kitchen. And that's all she wrote for this. Now, I'm going to let this cook down like I said. And now off to make the rice. Okay, we got the rice rocking and rolling. Oh, we got to take a look at our collard greens and our chicken. Hold on. Look at them collard greens. Look at all that steam. This one is hot, hot, hot. Hot central. And then of course we got our chicken slowly boiling and stuff like that. And then you also got the noise in the background. Hey, that's what it is. That's children. And yeah. Okay, look at this rice. It's coming together nicely.
Yes, good job. I said you dare me to drink this noodle juice?
No, I don't. And ew, I'm doing this rice, cooking it. Alright, I'm going to bring the rest of this to a boil. And then that'll be done. Okay, rice is done. About to turn this pot off. And that's it for this. And of course, the collard greens are almost done along with this chicken. So basically, this concludes this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Comment down below if you want to see more cooking videos like this. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, that will be notified when I post. And until next time, we out of here. Peace. Last but not least, honey cornbread.
Don't tell me I can have it, cause I get it myself. Trying to set limits, I'm not with it.